Welcome to today's video. We are Group 5 of Grade 11 STEAM P.
The topics that we will be discussing for today are the constant rule of differentiation and the constant multiple rule of differentiation.
By the end of the video, you should be able to solve using the constant rule of differentiation and constant multiple rule of differentiation.
Constant rule of differentiation. If c is a constant and if f of x is equal to c, for all x, then f prime of x is equal to 0. Constant multiple rule of differentiation. If f is a function, c is a constant, and g is a function defined by g of x is equal to c times f of x, then if f prime x exists, g prime x is equal to c times f prime of x.
Let's start with the constant rule of differentiation. Recall the definition. If c is a constant and if f of x equals c for all x, then f prime of x is equal to 0. This simply means that any number that is not subject to change equals to 0. For example, we have f of x equals 6. The number 6 here is a constant, therefore f prime of x equals 0. Let's try again. Let's say you have f of x equals 11. Number 11 is a constant, therefore f prime of x equals 0.
Let's move on to constant multiple rule of differentiation. Recall the definition. If f is a function, c is a constant, and g is a function defined by g of x is equal to c times f of x, then if f prime x exists, g prime of x is equal to c times f prime of x. Let's have an example. Let f of x be 7x cubed. 7 is the constant, or c. Take the exponent 3 and multiply it by the constant, which is 7, and then subtract the exponent 3 by 1 according to power rule. Therefore, f prime of x is equal to 21x squared. Let's try again with another example. We have f of x is equal to 9x to the power of 8, where 9 is a constant and 8 is the exponent according to the theorem. We multiply 8 by 9 and subtract the exponent by 1. So we have 9 times 8 is equal to 72 and 8 minus 1 is equal to 7. Therefore,
Let's see what you've learned. Try these exercises.